Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, mechanics for a headband. It doesn't have to be hard. Start with a headband base. Yeah, just go to the store and buy a headband. Then, using a U-glue strip, pull it off, attach two gaylix, my most favorite. You can use any flat leaf. Then determine where you want it to be on the headband. Set it in place. A second leaf. Now you have a base that's going to support everything. Then using the Oasis foil adhesive, glue your flowers on, and you have a perfect headband. Easy, fabulous. You can see how great. Ready to go. Now you know how the pros do it.